dramatically this coming year and the following 3 to 4 years at least, if not next decade. And we're going to get into $100,000 to $300,000 range per coin in 2 to 4 years. I mean, that's a tremendous amount of gain. It's something that's currently at around $8,000. Think about that.
We expect to see something similar with Bitcoin today after the coronavirus market crash. It's already happening. Bitcoin rose about 50% in roughly 4 weeks after bottoming in mid-March. Allocating just a tiny percentage of your money to Bitcoin can make a big difference. If, over the past 10 years, you had put just 1% of your money into Bitcoin and put the other 99% of your money into a checking account that paid 0 interest, you would have made about 300 times more money compared to investing every penny in an S&P 500 stock market index fund. It is expected to double over the next decade as digitalization spreads. This means you must now own what I consider America's master digital currencies. Over the next few years, there's nowhere safer and more lucrative for your money. What I'm talking about when I say master digital currencies are the shares of the most dominant, fastest growing companies that are fostering this digital transition. These are the companies that millions of other businesses are using to move from an analog world to a digital one. The companies I'm going to tell you about play a critical role in nearly all of the digital commerce in America today. In short, if you buy or sell something on the internet, odds are these companies have a hand in it and make a big profit. These companies are, in many ways, the currencies of today's digital commerce system. In fact, there are 4 such businesses I strongly recommend you own right away. This is the safest way to have a chance to make a lot of money from this trend over the next few years. The first company provides the backbone, the most critical part of the digitalization process for more than 1 million businesses around the globe, including my business. Investors have earned gains of 400% over the last 5 years. The second business is helping the digital.
Now, don't get me wrong. I think people that invest in businesses that are connected to this are going to make money. But I think you're going to make more money in the digital coins themselves.
Transition of more than 230,000 businesses. This includes everything from construction companies and hospitals to real estate firms and retail. This company has paid investors remarkable gains of 250% over the past 5 years. The third business dominates the world of internet commerce and either already dominates or is a major player in critical digitization technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, personal storage, online videos, self-driving car technology, and more. Innovations report.
Now, again, Stansberry's okay with some of this information, but it's not as aggressive. It's more on a stock-based information than it is on digital currencies and purchasing and working themselves. So I'm going to end this here. I'm not going to purchase their product. There are better ways to make more money on just the digital currencies themselves than on Stansberry. We're going to end it here. It's Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. I know this is over an hour long. We're going to cut some of this out. It's not necessary. And we'll go from there. Good day.